Right now I show you that how to make a dilute sulfuric acid solution of 4 normal or 2 molar 100 ml sulfuric acid solution. For the strength is 4 normal, or you can say 2 molar. We prepare this solution. Right now you can see here that I am taking the concentrated sulfuric acid in this bottle, and this is the reagent bottle where I make the 100 ml solution of sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. This is a beaker, and this is a measuring cylinder, and this is distilled water, and this funnel. Right now, before making the concentrated sulfuric acid solution to the dilute sulfuric acid solution of 4 normal, we need to calculate that how much concentrated sulfuric acid, this one, is required to prepare 100 ml of the dilute sulfuric acid solution of 4 normal strength. So at first we need to calculate that how much concentrated sulfuric acid is required. Means our concentrated sulfuric acid is right now 36 normal. So at first I like to show you the calculation that how much concentrated sulfuric acid of 36 normal is required to make 100 ml dilute sulfuric acid solution of 4 normal. So we at first see the calculation of how much concentrated sulfuric acid is required for this 100 ml dilute sulfuric acid solution making. Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal. In this video lecture we see that we watch that how to make a dilute sulfuric acid solution of 4 normal. So before starting the all procedures that I like to show you, I would like to remind you that if you are new to this channel or you do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe it right now. Now we at first, in the first part of this video that I discussed that before starting before making sulfuric acid solution, dilute solution, we need to calculate that how much concentrated acid is required to make the dilute acid solution. So right now the calculation formula is V1N1 equal to V2N2. This is the formula. By using this formula we can calculate that how much concentrated sulfuric acid, that is 36 normal sulfuric acid, which is our concentrated sulfuric acid, how much concentrated sulfuric acid, what is the volume of sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid required to make 100 ml dilute sulfuric acid solution. So we want to make 100 ml dilute sulfuric acid solution and our strength is 4 normal. Okay, this is the volume and our desired strength of sulfuric acid solution, 100 ml solution and 4 normal solution. 4 normal solution we want to make, and we need to calculate the volume of the concentrated sulfuric acid required to make this solution. So V2 is unknown and N2, normality of the concentrated sulfuric acid, is 36 normal. So from this we can calculate the volume of the concentrated sulfuric acid required for making this dilute sulfuric acid solution, and we can calculate it as this one. So it is coming 11.11 ml. Okay, so that means the concentrated sulfuric acid that is required volume of the concentrated sulfuric acid for making the dilute sulfuric acid solution is 11.11 ml. This volume of concentrated sulfuric acid we need, and the rest volume means total volume of the solution is 100, and this is the volume of concentrated sulfuric acid, and the volume of water, distilled water, that should be 100 minus 11.11. So we can find the volume of concentrated sulphuric acid required and volume of water from this calculation, and from this calculation we are seeing that the volume of concentrated sulphuric acid required is 11.11 ml, and we are taking roughly it as 11.1 ml, and after minusing 11.1 ml from 100 ml, 100 ml is the total volume of the solution, and out of this 100 ml volume of the solution 11.1 ml concentrated acid is required. So the rest is distilled water. So the distilled water amount should be 88.9 ml. So for preparation of this dilute sulphuric acid solution of 4 normal, we need 11.1 ml concentrated sulphuric acid and 88.9 ml of the water, distilled water 88.9 ml, and concentrated sulphuric acid 11.1 ml is required for the dilute solution making. Right now we make the dilute sulphuric acid solution. I am showing you the details procedure of making dilute sulphuric acid solution. This is the concentrated sulphuric acid, it is 36 normal, and at first we open the mouth of this bottle. So this is the concentrated sulphuric acid, this is concentrated sulphuric acid, we want to make a dilute solution from it. So at first we do not take acid, okay, acid is given in water, okay, acid is mixed in water, not water is mixed in acid. So at first we have to take the desired volume of water, after that we add acid to the water, not water to the acid. That is very dangerous because an exothermic reaction is taking place where a high amount of heat is produced. So if you add water to acid, then it may means it is dangerous, any accident can happen. So for this reason, this is the concentrated sulphuric acid, we add this concentrated sulphuric acid after measuring water, okay. So this is distilled water, we take distilled water, and our calculation says that we need to take 88.9 ml of distilled water, okay. Okay, this one is distilled water, and we have to take 88.9 ml of distilled water. At first we take distilled water in this reagent bottle, okay. So at first we take distilled water of 88.9 ml, after that we add concentrated acid, means this one, with little amount of acid addition. We have to constantly stir this bottle because the high amount of heat is produced when sulphuric acid and water mix together. So for this reason, with the addition of small amount of acid to water, we have to constantly shake the solution, because otherwise if we add at a time the full amount of acid to it, then a high amount of heat is produced, accident may happen. So right now we take sulphuric acid concentrated 11.1 ml, okay. So it is concentrated sulphuric acid 36 normal, we take it up to here 11.11 ml. Okay. is happening? It's making it is more than 11.11, so we right now it is exactly 11.1 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid. Right now we add this concentrated sulfuric acid. At first we cap this bottle. Okay, some extra amount of sulfuric acid is taken in this beaker, so we keep it separately, because to adjust 11.1 ml we have to we have to take a beaker and we have to pour a little amount of sulfuric acid from this cylinder to the beaker to make it 11.1 ml. Now exactly 11.1 ml, so you have to add it little amount. With addition of little amount you have to stir it constantly. Okay, it is now becoming a hot. Bottom of this reagent bottle is now very hot. Okay, so this is right now our 100 ml dilute 4 normal sulfuric acid solution. It is prepared right now, 100 ml 4 normal dilute sulfuric acid solution. So in this way you can make 4 normal dilute sulfuric acid solution. You can make 2 normal, 6 normal, 1 normal sulfuric acid solution also by using the calculation method that I show you at first, that I discussed about the calculation formula. And after calculating the details, that how much volume of concentrated acid required, how much volume of water, distilled water required, after that you can follow this procedure to dilute the sulfuric acid concentrated solution. And in this time if you are doing it first time, then you can use this protective glass also, okay, in your eyes, because it will give you protect your eyes if any accident may happen. So this is the detailed process of diluting sulfuric acid solution, concentrated sulfuric acid solution, and to make it a dilute acid solution. So I think you understand this procedure. If you have any question regarding this dilution steps, then you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you find this video lecture is useful for you, then you can like it, and you can subscribe this channel also, and don't miss to hit the notification button.